Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It feels so surreal calling it my YouTube channel. I have been waiting for this moment since a very long time, and yeah, it is here. It feels so surreal. So yeah, as you guys read by the title, this tag is get to know me tag. I want to do this as my first video because I want you guys to understand who I am as a person and basically BTS about my life and little stories, mini stories you guys will enjoy. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So I have few questions here and I'm gonna read it and answer it for you guys. So yeah, I got these questions from Google itself. So yeah, the first question is, where do you currently live? I currently live in Kalyan because I have recently shifted. So yeah, I live in Kalyan. Who is your first best friend? So my first best friend was in my school and her name was Pinky. And her because I was in a girls' school. So yeah, how tall are you? I'm 5'2" and I'm really okay with it because height, weight, nothing matters. Dogs or cats? Dogs. I don't know, for some reasons I don't like cats. I just feel very weird around cats for some reason. No offense to cat lovers, but I personally don't like cats. I love dogs. They are, oh my god, I love dogs. Honey, are you in or have you gone to college? I am a graduate. I have done my degree in mass media, BMM, specifically in advertising. So I am a graduate. So yeah, I was in KC College. Answer to that question. Who is your spirit animal and why? I know this might sound very like same. I guess most of us feel like that, but I feel my spirit animal would be panda because the only thing panda does eat, sleep, and that is what I do. Eat, sleep, and work obviously because I have to do that. Yeah. But if I have given choice that pura din kya karna, I'll just sleep or eat. Nothing else. Tea or coffee? So I am a coffee person as well, but tea is something that is on another level. I cannot survive a single day without a tea because even if I'm on diet or anything, I have to have tea no matter what. Even I like coffee, but tea is something that is I cannot live. What are your life goals? Currently I do not have any like life goal. The only life goal I have is to make my parents proud no matter what I do, no matter where I am. I just want my parents to be proud of me. So that is the only life goal I have, to be honest. What sports do you play or have you played? I am not a sports person. In the school time also, I do not play any sports. I used to play like kabaddi and all that, but I am personally not interested. I used to watch cricket for some period of time, but अब वो भी नहीं देखने नहीं मिलता है. So I am not a sports person at all. So हाँ. Have any books you read changed your life? So currently I'm reading The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, I guess. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but yeah, I'm currently, wait, I'll show you guys. So yeah, this is the book that I'm reading, The Secret. I just have been half only, but I am in love with this book. You guys should give it a thought. It is an amazing book. Yeah, this is the name. If you guys want to know, if you are interested, this is an amazing book. You should guys give it a try. Do you speak any languages and how well? I can speak Hindi properly. I can speak English properly, decent English. I can speak my mother tongue very decently. That I have learned now only while in this quarantine. And I have done my first level in Chinese. But I am still not very fluent in it. I still need my book and pen to make words appropriate. So yeah, these languages I know, and I know Marathi. I understand Marathi very well, but it is not very fluent. But I would love to learn Marathi. It is such an amazing language. How would you describe your fashion sense? So for me, fashion means comfortable. For me, fashion is something you would like to wear and be comfortable in it. No matter what you wear, just be comfortable. So yeah, I personally like oversized clothes, baggy clothes, As you can see, I have baggy sleeves also right now because I love oversized and baggy clothes. So that is my fashion sense. Even if I'm not wearing anything baggy, I will prefer to wear something very comfortable. What is your go-to hairstyle? So as you all guys see that this is the only hairstyle I do. I used to do a lot of hairstyles, but in quarantine I just don't feel कि मैं अपने बालों पे इतनी मेहनत करूँ. I just go with it, like एक partition किया, done. Or else if I'm straightening my hair or curls, then that is hairstyle for me because obviously I'm putting so much efforts and work into it. So nahi to bas this is the only thing I do. I put lots of efforts in my makeup, my accessories, my outfits, but not in my hairstyle. I don't know, for some reason. How many siblings do I have? I have 2 siblings. Both sisters. One is elder to me, one is younger to me. Yeah, both are really close to my heart, but camera पे बोल रही हूँ बस. What are your morning, evening and night routines? So for my morning routine, as I told you guys that I am a panda. I just eat, sleep and work. And it's not just कि मैं खाऊंगी और सो जाऊंगी. I do work a lot. ऑफिस का काम, बेसिक कोई भी काम, I do a lot of work. इवनिंग तक वो चलता रहता है, तो that is the same routine. For my night routine, I just sit on my phone, scroll on my Instagram and watch YouTube videos, think about what I have to create next, because as you guys know, I am officially a YouTuber now and I am not thinking कि ये बस ऐसे ही टाइम पास के लिए. I am pursuing it with all my heart and my efforts, so I have to think a lot. So वही चलता रहता है even for my night. Then I sleep very early. I sleep by 10:30 because मुझे उठना होता है 6 बजे. So मेरी night वहीं पे खत्म हो जाती है. What is your favorite Netflix show? My favorite Netflix shows keeps on changing, but the one show that remains constant throughout is Friends. Oh my god, I'm such a big fan of Friends. I am a die-hard fan of Friends, so I love Friends. I keep on watching that, only repeating. I have watched Friends I guess more than 8 times and अभी भी वही चल रहा है, but along with Gossip Girl I guess अभी वो चल रहा है because my younger sister is watching Gossip Girl currently, so उसके साथ देख लेती हूँ. What was your dream job as a kid? As a kid, my dream job used to change, but that teacher was constant because I always wanted to be a teacher. But वो बड़े होके बदल गए obviously. But I have fulfilled my dream some or the other way because I have been a tutor for around 2-3 months for very young kids I guess. But ठीक है, वो भी count हो सकता है. तो मैंने वो dream अपना fulfill कर चुकी हूँ. What is my age? Oh my god, ये अब question आया है and even मेरे दिमाग से भी निकल गया. I am 22, soon to be 23. Oh my god, I feel so old already. I have to achieve so many things. Oh my god. But yeah, I am 22 currently. And when is my birthday? My birthday is on 23rd June and I was born in the year 1998. Yes. What time is my bedtime? So as I told you that I sleep by 10:30 or max 11 as I'm working in the morning shift, so I have to wake up by 6. But if I'm working till late, then I sleep by around 4-5. It does not matter. There are so many questions, but the last question that I'll answer is, do I have any pets? Yes, I do have. I have one pug, one female pug, and her name is Bolt. And she's been with us since, I guess, it's been more than 4.5 years. And the funny story behind this is, जब वो हमारे घर आई थी ना, very initially, तब I was so scared of dogs. मतलब she used to stay in one room and I used to stay in one room. It went on for 3.5 months. But फिर जब वो एक बार बीमार पड़ी and I was like कि सोई तो है, I was not scared. Then मैं उसके पास गई, उसको टच किया and that was the first time I touched her and she was so ill. तो फिर मैं उसको, she was like a baby, तो फिर मैं उसको ऐसे प्यार कर रही थी. Then I just fell in love with her. So if you guys wanna see, so this is Bolchi. Bolt. So this was it for today's video and this was my last question. And if you guys have any further questions or anything, I'll make sure to let you guys know in the comment section below. So yeah, you guys know the drill. You have to like, comment and subscribe and share if you like this video. You guys are awesome. I love you so much.